Hello everyone, our discussion for today is all about welding safety. And to start with, we have our objective under our topic, welding safety. First one, we need to help employees understand how to weld safely. People have been welding in one form or another for over 2,000 years, but like many industrial processes, welding can be very dangerous. Whenever or whether an employee is working with the hazardous gases of an oxyacetylene unit, the high voltage of stick welding, or the combination of gas and electricity that powers MIG and TIG operations, flying sparks, toxic fumes, electric shock, and high temperature are just the sum of the things that can make welding a dangerous proposition. Inspect welding equipment. First, the arc unit need to be inspected. Inspect the frame of the generator for proper grounding. Make sure that the work leads and electrode leads are properly connected. Examine cables for damaged insulation or bare conductors. This can cause severe shock if left unrepaired. It is important to be prepared for hazards throughout the entire welding process. You need to protect yourself and others from these dangers. For the intense light, flying sparks, toxic fumes, electric sparks. And now let us proceed to the high protection. The powerful ultraviolet and infrared light produced during the welding can be extremely hazardous if left unprotected. Your eyes can suffer the short-term discomfort of welder's flash. Your retina may be burned, resulting in permanent damage. You could even be blinded. Goggles fitted with specially tinted lenses must be worn during oxy-fuel cutting, welding, and brazing. These special lenses block hazardous light. They also help shield your eyes from molten sputter. Arc welding produces an intense light that requires even stronger protection. A helmet or hand shield should be used. These are fitted with specially designed filters to screen out harmful rays. The helmets or shields design and size can also prevent the light from burning your face and ears. Do not forget that safety glasses must be worn underneath your helmet or hand shield for complete protection. Make sure that all of your protective equipment is in good condition before you begin working or welding. If you spot if you spot any imperfections, get a replacement. Hazardous light can affect those around you as well. Set up protective screens to shield other workers from the light you generate. Warn workers in the area before you strike hard. For the hazardous fumes. Hazardous fumes are a byproduct of many welding operations. Without proper ventilation, these fumes will collect and contaminate the air. Protect yourself by using exhaust fans or other mechanical ventilating devices. Substances that require mechanical ventilation are the following: stainless steel, the lead, mercury, fluoride compounds, zinc, cadmium, beryllium, chemical cleaning compounds. 3. It is especially important to use mechanical ventilation. In rooms with less than 10,000 cubic feet of space per welder, where ceilings are lower than 16 feet, or some period of exposure to hazardous fumes can lead to irritation of the following: the eyes, nose throat, may even cause metal fume server. To avoid these problems, you must maintain a healthy breathing zone. This means getting a lot of air flowing around your work. When using screens or other barriers, leave enough space for a good air movement. Release stored energy. Verify that the power is off. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.